Women, what are some questions you've always wanted to ask men, but were too embarrassed? Can you feel our boobs when we hug? Is it true you really get random boners? What happens to your balls when you run? Are they just banging around? Do they stick between your thighs? Do they end up tucked? I've been dying to know. Thanks. Is it true that guys generally hesitate or avoid going up to and talking women that are super attractive? I mean like a 9 or a 10-10? Is attractiveness appearance something that makes you stall when shooting your shot? Can't speak for all guys, but what I tell myself, why the hell would someone like her be interested in someone like me?